Okay, we're gonna start then.
I'm gonna be quiet and behave while Jaime cuts my hair.
Right.
He always does a good job, by the way.
Thank you, sir.
And he has a reasonable price structure.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Good day, everybody. Yes, there is the hair
Yeah?
that we're gonna trim today and make it nice. Using regular clippers, of course.
Really? I thought you used a scissor.
Hmm?
I thought you used a scissor.
Well, we use scissors too. Yeah, for blending and, make it nice.
Oh, well,
Yes, we have to use all the tools we have.
oh,
Yes. I used to have that sharp razor, but I don't anymore because we used to have the AIDS virus,
yeah, you forgot how to sharpen it.
and well, they're pretty sharp all the time.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Is that it? You're over already? Remember,
the problem with the AIDS virus is once you found out that you have it, you're about to die. There's no warning. So we were told at the school, if I were you, no more sharp blades, because easy to transmit the virus through an open skin. So whenever you start cutting, do what you can to avoid opening the skin.
Amen.
Because, like you said, you don't know you have the virus until you're about to die. And how are you going to battle it? How are you going to respond when you're dying? So, avoid whenever you can. Avoid to have an open skin.
Hello po.
Hello po. Have a seat po.
Thank you. Be kind to the sidekick.
So,
This should be as low as possible. Did you put your motorhome away for the year?
Mm-hmm.
Your motorhome.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna drain the water before we get cold. I don't know. We might go to China before doing that if the weather is okay. Otherwise, we'll wait next time again.
I went to Hope.
China Hot Spring.
Oh, to the hot spring. Yeah, that'd be nice.
So,
Yeah, I was up there probably about the 18th of July.
good job.
Remember, the long end have to stay there, or Judy will come visit you. I'll have to make sure she sees this video. How long is the average haircut? How long does it take for you to do one haircut?
Before you get another one, you mean? Or how long does it take to get a haircut?
I mean, from the time you
Start?
Yeah, till
when I was working on base,
No.
we can do.
yeah. No, I mean for me.
How long I've been doing it?
No. How long? From the time you started with that.
Oh, these.
Yeah.
We started a little more than a year ago, May, I believe. When we started it last year.
No, I mean, how long did it take you to give me a haircut?
Oh. How long?
Yeah, I guess we can tell when we look at the video at the end.
I think I meet you at the barber shop with my friend, and then you follow me after that. How long ago?
No. I sat in the chair and you started cutting. And you started cutting. Between the time you started cutting and you finished.
I think we started a few minutes ago, about maybe 5 or so minutes ago.
Well, I don't care about that. How long? Total. Approximately.
And when I was working on base, yeah, we can do it 3 minutes. Yeah, why? Because those sometimes the whole platoon comes, and that is what 40 some people standing outside in very dress, and sometimes Bert, the owner, said, "Look at these guys. Can you do something?" And I asked, "You want us to be faster?" "Of course. Look at them. Look at them guys. They're not sitting." Okay. Yeah, so
Well,
we look at the other barbers. Hey, there's a lot of them standing there waiting to get their hair cut. I said, okay, there we go. And they're happy because we give them the same haircut.
Yeah,
almost like bulk, you know.
yeah, they all got white walls.
Mm-hmm.
And
So it's like you start here. Zzz,
yeah,
you know.
I think I could even almost.
Yeah.
I said almost.
So, and the video tells us when it's done.
Yeah.
How long does it take?
I know.
Now, clean it up a little bit. Mm. I'm so happy that you guys followed me when, you know, we ended up closing the shop there at Boniface and Northern Line. Because
I didn't know that.
things changed.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, I'll go home and do it at home. The owner of the building wanted to give it to the urgent care doctors.
Yeah, they pay more.
Exactly. I can't for nurse. To make more money.
Did you put hair growth on my head?
Yes.
Good.
Like that, of course.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Hey, you never know.
Well, I had to have.
He might do what he say.
Maybe.
So,
Well, I use it at home.
oh, you do good.
Yeah.
I usually don't mind.
Well, you don't really need it, I. Well, I can't see way over there, but
Can you see it?
no. But I can see up here.
Good job for maintenance. So I just trimmed one or two whiskers there.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I get
Because it's still
I,
pretty good.
I get my money back then.
Yeah, no, you did very good as far as maintaining it.
Okay, thank you.
So,
That's good.
and yeah, see here, it's still the same. It's not getting worse.
Yeah, well, that's what you said
Yes.
5 years ago.
See, if you're in doubt, you can do this. See, you can feel it, right?
Oh well,
Yeah.
rather than like it feels
Yeah.
like rather
You
than
do
it
it
feels
like this, and
rather than it feels like this.
exactly.
Oh well,
All right, folks.
that's
Thank
it.
you so much for watching.
Adios. I'll be back.
All right.